Hey there, it's Cathy County. Hey, I wanted to reach out to you today to talk to you about your fall maintenance home repair tips, okay? So here we go. Cut back all of your trees, limbs, vegetation that's touching your house or your roof. While you're doing that, check to make sure you don't have any damaged or missing shingles. You don't want to have a leak this year, especially in the dead of winter. Also, check your gutters and downspouts. Make sure the water's all rotting away from your house. Check your weather stripping. Make sure that you've sealed in between your different types of siding on the outside of your house. So it could be stucco, wood, stone, and go to the side, and then you'll have a trim board right here. So caulk in between those. You want to make sure we don't have any water penetration that can create an issue for you or create rot for next year. Check your outside light bulbs because it's going to get dark really soon. You don't want to have to go out there in the dark and be changing those. And before the first frost, which is coming very soon, make sure you've unhooked your hoses from your spigots. We don't want that to freeze and then create a leak in the spring because you have a burst pipe. Also, clean and clear and seal your driveway. There's going to be a lot of salt on your car, and you certainly don't want to throw out any salt. Use kitty litter instead if you need to have people come over to your house and you need to have some traction. That salt just does a job on your driveway. So be sure to seal your driveway so that you can help not have the concrete delaminate. So anyway, I hope that these are helpful. If you need vendors to help you to do any of these things, please hop on our website at askcathy.com. We have preferred vendors there that'll be happy to come over and do this work for you. And as always, we love you. Ask Cathy Marketing Group. We really appreciate you. Hopefully these hints are helpful for you as you maintain your house. As always, if you need anything at all, please just reach out to us and call us. We're here for you. Have a great day.